today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a callout block in Notion. A callout block is a quick way to highlight important information inside your page, things like tips, warnings, reminders, or key takeaways. It stands out with a shaded background and an optional icon on the left so your readers can spot what matters without hunting for it. To create one, place your cursor where you want the highlight to appear, on a blank line or right after the content it relates to. Type a / followed by the word callout, so #callout, and press enter. Notion will instantly insert a callout block for you. You'll see a box with a subtle background and a default icon, and your cursor will land inside it, ready for text. Go ahead and type the message you want to emphasize. A short, clear sentence or two works best, especially if you're calling attention to an action or a caution. Next, customize the icon to match your message. Click the icon on the left side of the callout. You can choose a different emoji to set the tone, like a light bulb for ideas, a warning sign for cautions, or a check mark for next steps. Or remove the icon entirely for a cleaner look. If you remove it and change your mind later, just click that same spot to add an icon back. Keeping the icon relevant helps readers instantly understand why the callout is there. You can also tune the background color so the callout blends in or stands out. Hover over the block to reveal the 6-dot handle on the left, then click it to open the block menu. From there, open the color options and select a background color you like. Softer hues are great for gentle emphasis, while brighter shades will draw strong attention. Pick a color with good contrast so your text stays easy to read, and consider how it appears in light and dark modes. Consistency across a page can help your callouts feel intentional rather than distracting. As you write, keep your callout concise and scannable. Avoid long paragraphs. Instead, make your point quickly so the highlight does its job without slowing readers down. If you add multiple callouts on a page, vary the icons slightly, but keep your color choices consistent for a clean, organized feel. That's it. Type /callout and press enter, customize the icon, and choose a background color from the 6-dot menu. With these simple steps, you can turn important notes into clear, attention-grabbing highlights that make your Notion pages easier to read and act on.